33 variables. I'm back. So on this one, I just want to show you how a service business can scale on its marketing, especially getting visibility and authority for what you do. An conscious business is one whereby as we serve our gifts, as we uplift others, we want to brand whatever we do in a corporate way, in the material way of doing things. We're taking things from very high frequencies, but the rest of the world is caught up in the material world. So we want to package our gifts and provide them in a way that is easy, yeah, for people to absorb them. So we need to get a clientele that resonates because not everyone will be at a level whereby they are able uh, to get what you're doing. So you just need to be in a way that you are able to find the right people who are ready, who are tapping into the same frequency that you're tapping into, and are able to work with you to co-create uh, the new area that you're talking about, right? Yeah, so I just want to show you how to brand your business. So I'm assuming here that you've already decided what name you're going by, already Spill has spoken to you. You already know what you're going by. You already know the exact service that you want to deliver. So you already done research and seen even if it is not available out there, you're not doing it. You are now a pioneer. So work as a pioneer. It's something that you can still do without having to copy what others are doing. So what I'm doing here is just to give you the tools, show you the tools that you can use to automate the whole process. Because we have AI, we're living in the current age. We use technology. Yeah, you don't just have to uh, be out there in the wilderness. We can go and use tools online and be able to put out our information out there, be able to package our goods, and be able to earn and thrive while doing this. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to show you this. Yeah. So the first thing I want to show you is when you're going online, you have to show that you're an authority in what you're doing. That means you have to keep up the brand. Hmm? Have a brand, and the brand should be something that uh, speaks to who you are. Yeah, most of the time you'll get this from experience. You just have a name that comes out. Like when I was starting here my work here, Master Jim just came. And funnily enough, Master Jim was something I coined long time ago. I think it was 2015, yeah, when I was writing my interest. But I've always been using this. Even my children I always call them masters. Yeah. So it just came to me naturally. And Master Jim, Teacher 33. And I'm always in that 33 frequency. I'm at 33. Yeah. So 33 is something that just comes naturally to me. So Master Jim is what I go by. Then I am working with 363 Gardens. So I was able to bring out what I do. I in the previous life I was doing Get Sales Bot and Get Sales, where I was doing search engine optimization, I was doing digital marketing, just helping brands to analyze what they're doing and come up with the right things. Yeah. So I've now been able to repackage what I do in a way that will help and sustain everyone. So I'm working with 363 Gardens where I'm putting everything under one umbrella. You should check my website and you will see some awesome things going on there. So I'm putting everything into one thing, whereby now 363 Gardens has some 6 branches, and marketing is the 6th branch, where the Get Sales Bot and the automations, search optimizations, they're all going to be in. Now, this is what I'm going to show you in this. So how do you uh, build trust? People trust your work and people get to know what you do. Now, in marketing or in distributing information, they always do content marketing. Content marketing is what we're doing online, where you create content to educate the masses, educate your audience, so that in the end of the day, they get to learn and benefit from what you do. Then, after benefiting from what you do, they are able to uh, benefit and again, now even able to purchase your services. Yeah, that's what we are doing here at Content Market. So you create different kind of content. There is uh, image content, where you can just take pictures of what you do, show people your the background, what you do when you're preparing your sessions, yeah, when you're preparing your tools, just the images that's what you do. Now you're talking to them with the images. You can also use video, like what I'm doing here right now. I'm creating content using video that is able to explain what I do in an easier way that is able to capture and put out and get people to resonate with what I do. Yeah, so that's what we're doing with video content. Then again, you can also do articles where you just write articles about what you do, explain them, and allow them to capture uh, your information in a more detailed way that is more explanatory for people to do. Yeah. Yeah. So I've talked about images, I've talked about articles, I've talked about videos. Yeah, there are so many ways you can do this. There are so many ways. So every content that is available to you, uh, you can use it. Then that's where now search engine optimization comes in. So search engine optimization is whereby now your content will be able to be found by users when they search online. So you can optimize your website. So that's why it's important to have a website where people come and find information. Then you can also optimize your social media pages. Where you put your social media pages to brand your content, to brand your profiles, to brand yourself. Yeah. Yeah. So you can also optimize because that is where you'll be posting your content, you'll be posting your emails, your your videos, your articles, yeah, and posting on this platform. So basically, the most common platforms that we use in such cases are LinkedIn, we use Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or any other platform that you believe will be able to influence your audience in a way that we impact them. Yeah, in a way to impact them. Yeah, so these are some of the ways that we're using. So search engine optimization is quite important, but that is how people find your content. Yeah, because people always believe that the content that they find online when they do a search. Yeah, today we have AI. So the AI will produce content, will produce replies, and link your website somewhere on the result. So people always trust such kind of result more than than just somebody else. So there's just some of the ways brand yourself and showcase yourself as an authority in what you do. Yeah. So this is what we're gonna talk about now. So apart from content marketing, which is about building your authority, you can do because this is organic. All I'm talking about is organic. Because the more you post, you'll be able to bring and build a tribe. Yeah? Your tribe around you that trusts you. Now your voice becomes an anchor. You anchor your voice and you build a trust around you. Then you'll be able to impact this audience better. So you can even go further and use paid ads. Yeah, that is now Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. Yeah. Uh, TikTok ad to just spread your information to more people who are willing to associate with what you do, right? Yeah. So one thing I want to mention is this. Social media pages, social media applications, they don't like having people being taken out of their platforms. Yeah. They want someone who was scrolling in their platform, let's say TikTok, yeah, or scrolling TikTok, when they interact with your ad, when they interact with an ad that you sent, yeah, they absorb the information, but after absorbing the information, they stay in the platform, yeah. So that is what we're talking about here. So we keep the audience in the platform. We don't want to take them out. We don't want to take them out because once you take them out for our website, you are now killing that link because this is someone just browsing, enjoying the application. Yeah. So if you take them out, algorithms notice that because you're taking people out of their platform whom you found in their platform. So they want you to keep them there. So they want you. The best you can do is DM, chat with them in the messages. Then after that, they continue browsing and doing what they were doing. That is what the algorithms want. Yeah. So that is something that you should really take very seriously. So to make this more uh, cost effective and beneficial for both the audience and the user, we now have chatbots, automations. Yeah. So we set up automations that will interact with this user and from time to time send them information and will allow them to uh, browse and connect with more of you. Yeah. So the chatbot has information that is about everything that you do. So everything that you have on the website is in this bot, right? So once this information is in this bot, the AI will know how to push that information to them from time to time. Yeah, from time to time. Sometimes they may start interacting with the bot and stop to a certain point. But it's not at a certain point, you are able to build a sequence of information to connect this user later on, when they are on this application again, maybe after a day, maybe after a few hours, maybe you had an offer that you wanted to send to them and you are able to send to them. Maybe you have a new campaign, maybe you have a new brand, a new product you want to promote that they have already shown interest. The bot will be able to send and show it to them. Okay, yes, that is something we really need to do. So it's about just automating all this, and this is what I want to show you. So I'm going to take you through and just show you how these applications work, so that you are able to automate your business and uh, send more conscious information to a user using technology in this current age. Directly variable. That's my time.